This is Hard Dispatch calling box 7493. It's the report of a house engulfed in flames. For engine 31, engine 74, engine 71, engine 30, truck 7, rescue 74, C7.
There's a report that two people may be inside.
All companies from C7 must be in rescue mode for this.
Engine 31 arrived. We have heavier fire showing from Alpha, Charlie, and Delta sides.
Engine 74, you're going to have rescue. In your primary search, second floor, VES, bedroom, car side. Dispatch and command. Go ahead and get me a second one.
Command from engine 74. We're making access. Charlie side, floor 2, VES.
We're on our way out.
Floor 2, still finish, Great copies. VES complete on your second floor window, and now you're conducting a primary search of the structure.